Maintenance required reset on a 2023 Toyota Sienna. First thing you do, you can start the car, push the power button, foot on the brake pedal, and that should start the car. You're going to notice the maintenance required soon on the dashboard. So what you need to do now, on the steering, press the back button, then I press the navigation keys. Press the navigation key, you can go to the right or to the left until you reach your settings. So, settings icon, scroll down, click OK on vehicle settings, scroll down to schedule maintenance, click OK, then reset data. All maintenance again, scroll down, go to all maintenance, click OK, then reset the data. Reset complete. And you can go back to the original menu. So what you want to do now is reset the trip. So the button is right there for the trip. So you press the trip, and it's gonna bring up the trip mileage in the dashboard. So that's the trip mileage. Reset it to 0. Trip B, reset it to 0, and then you can put it back to the original mileage. So that's it. Thank you for watching.